Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you very stylish latex leather dresses for men. As you can see, shiny designs, beautiful collection, latest outfits, beautiful designs and trendy ideas. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Please support me by sharing my video. And thank you so much for watching. You can see latest designs, beautiful dresses, shiny collection. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Latest dresses for men, pants, beautiful jackets, long shiny dresses, outfits and ideas. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You can see latest designs, shiny collection, so keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Goodbye friends, till the next video. See you soon with new designs.